Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I did my eyebrows and what I use on my eyebrows to get them to look like this. Also, this is the three-part video. The video that's going to follow the eyebrow video is going to be an eyeshadow video, followed by a full face makeup video. So hopefully you guys could pick up some tips. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell and become part of my butterfly family. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
It's those C4s, those C4s, those C4s, those C4s.
So crazy.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I get with these eyebrows and what I do to sculpt them out. So I'm working with new light and I got all these extra lights around me. So I'm trying to see how that's gonna work out. How it's gonna work out and great. So how it's gonna work out. So when I watch this video, I guess I'll get to see how that's gonna look. So right now I got my little cap on because I got my hair twisted up under here. I need to do a wash, but that's what we not here for today. So let's get into these brows. And I usually get my little spoolie, you know, and deck them out just a little something, something. My face is dry because when I washed it this morning, I didn't go in with my toner or my oils. So right now it's just like bare skin dry. But I need to make this video, so this is how it's gonna get made. So I usually just go in with, I'm like really totally dry. I just go in with a regular crayon eyeliner pencil. Well, is this one a crayon? Oh, it don't say crayon, but it's a regular dark brown eyeliner pencil that you could get from the hair store. I'm like, from the hair store. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah. So it's just brown, dark brown. I don't like black. I haven't learned how to use black on my eyebrows as of yet. So I just go in and just outline my eyebrows first. And then I go in and fill them in. I don't like mine to look too thick and dark. So I just go light. So as you can see, I did the outline just a little bit, made the arch and everything. So then I just go back in and just like lightly stroke in the middle and fill it in. And I try to make sure the outside lines is as even as can be, because that's just me. That's what I like to do. And in the front, I really don't do too much because I put the line at the bottom and go over the line at the top. So when I take my spoolie and just spread the product out, it'll be like a natural eyebrow with the light to dark. So I don't really put too much product in this area here. I just use my spoolie. And for some reason, I just know that my eyebrows is not going to come out right, because that's just what happens when you showing somebody something. But in any case, this is how I do it. I'm just going to go in and lightly stroke, 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 stroke. I do a little bit more deeper on this brow because this one is, for whatever reason, a lot thinner. So I have to do a little extra, I guess, to make sure that they look somewhat symmetrical. Yep. And then I just go in with my spoolie and spread the product. Spread it all around. See where I might need to go back in it. And my eyebrows are like really funny because the hairs from here to here go straight up. And then the rest go this way. Like that. So that's how I do it. Make sure they got a little bit of something, something. And I go to the other side and spread the product all the way up, and then out. I always have to go back in on this eye because I'm right-handed, so I don't know how to be light on this side, I guess. So I always gotta go back in and clean up. And add just a little more product. And then just buff that out. And boom. That's that one. Right, look a little messy. A messy Betsy. And then I go in with my trusty busty concealer brush. My little concealer brush. And I usually go lighter underneath the bottom. And all I'm doing is just putting some concealer underneath the eyebrow to give it some sharpness. To give it a little bit of sharpness. I don't know what's going on today. Sorry, guys. Do not know what is going on in the building today. Alright. Like how when a guy get a shape up pretty much. They get that little line. So that's all I'm doing is I'm lining the eyebrow up. Giving it that little fresh cut. And the crazy part about it is I really need to do my eyebrow. I usually go lighter underneath because by the time I do my eyeshadow, it's going to cover the lightness of the concealer. I know y'all like, of the what? of the concealer. And on top, I go a little darker. Just a little more closer to my skin tone. And I almost got all my products to start my face routine to get rid of all these blemishes. So it is not perfect like I figured it wouldn't be because I'm on camera, but it's good enough for the tutorial and you guys have a pretty much good idea of how I do my eyebrows. So that's what it is. And I go back in and just blend everything out. And just blend everything out that need to be blended. And try to get rid of harsh lines. And from there, I usually bring the lighter concealer down to my eyelids to start the process of my eyeshadow. And yep. And there we have it. Go in with my finger and dab so it can blend much. And make sure, like I said, I don't like the harsh lines underneath. And if you ever feel like maybe the inner part of your eyebrow is too dark, then you can go in with a concealer brush and just like very lightly dab upward and then take your spoolie brush and run it through and it'll lighten it right up. So yeah, there you go. There you go. Then I just go in and move the product a little bit more to my liking, how I like my eyebrows to be. As far as look. And bam. I just go in and pat in the extra concealer because I don't want it to look too harsh. Especially on a regular natural makeup day, right? So I'm gonna go in and do this other one and we done. Yep. Bam. There we go. There we go. Come in and clean it up. I'm gonna get some of this excess off. And then just come right in and blend it up. Well, I like to go upward because I don't like to leave harsh lines, so if I'm going upward, I feel like the lines is not as hard, you know. Go in and Clean this up a little bit. And you know, you don't want to wear makeup that day. You can go underneath with a dark with a concealer that's more your tone. Underneath the bottom. That way you don't have to worry about too much dibbling and dabbling, you know. Yep. Just going with my spoolie. I don't want to do too much because, you know, I'm a little heavy-handed on this side, so I don't want to touch too much. Even it out, just a smidge of bitch. Smidge of bitch. Yep. And there you go. All nice and ready for step 2, which is normally in my routine, probably eyeshadow. I do like to put that on before my makeup. Look at my face. Look at my face. So yeah, with my face and everything, I'm gonna be wait for my brush. That's the last thing that I gotta get. So I don't know how this lighting is working for you guys. Comment down below. I always forget to say that in the beginning. I definitely gotta get better with that. Like, that's so ridiculous. But yes, here's a closer look of my eyebrows. You can see how they're done. You saw how I did it. That's how I do it every day. See, this video was 16 minutes already. But I'm going to try to break it down just a little bit when the parts I'm not talking. So if you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell. I know I'm on here looking like a little chatty patty baby, but it's okay. This is me. It's how I look on my natural states. And you know, once you get glammed up and bammed up, baby, ain't nothing you can do with it, okay? So until next time, butterflies, please enjoy your day and make sure it's a prosperous one. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do. And remember, your style is definitely enough. Enjoy your day.
It's those C4s, those C4s, those C4s, those C4s, those C4s.
So crazy.